A carnivore pancake, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Hey compassionate carnivores, in today's video, I'm showing you how to make carnivore pancakes. All you need are eggs, butter, a hand mixer, a glass bowl, and a pan. We're gonna start off by separating our eggs. You just want the egg whites. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. You don't want to get egg yolks in it, but I'm not going to waste this, so we're just going to hope for the best. I believe I did 6 eggs, but I got some egg yolks in it, but that's okay. So now you're just going to take this and you're going to mix it. Then you just hand mix it until it gets white and stiff peaks. I hope it's still going to turn out because of the egg yolks. This is a glass bowl, so I'm actually worried it's going to break now. Oh goodness. We're just going to do it lightly. Okay, yeah, I'm scared. I'm going to look for a plastic bowl. You want it to get real nice and fluffy. Oopsie. Oh, hey, that actually looks pretty good. Look at that. Like pancake batter. I'm gonna keep mixing it. I think this is a good enough fluffy consistency. So then you're just gonna take your pan. I bought this pan today from Marshall's. It's 100% stainless steel. Guess how much it was? $13. I feel like that's a score. Then we're just gonna take some butter. I'm gonna turn it on medium high. Put it on the pan. I'm gonna lower the heat now and put it on low. I only turned it on high so that it would heat up nice and fast. You could use beef tallow, you can use bacon grease, but I'm just doing butter because I think it gives it a lot more flavor. So I'm taking 1/2 cup for each pancake. That's how much I'm gonna do. Look at that beautiful pancake. Oh my gosh. So simple and easy to make. I made these before for burger patty buns and they're so delicious. And now we just let it cook. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I'm 17 years old. I try to post a lot of cooking videos to help inspire others because a lot of people say I can't do carnivore, I need variety, but with carnivore there are so many recipes you can make. You name it and I guarantee you can make it. You can make cheesecake, you can make bread, you can make carnivore pizza. For the next 28 days, I'm just eating beef, butter, and eggs, nothing else. I'm cutting out pork, chicken, heavy cream, coffee, pickles, and I'm doing this for 30 days. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm experimenting to see how much better I feel. I've cut out these foods before and I've just felt 10 times better. For example, I've been drinking coffee and I just got a bad addiction to it. It's messed up my sleep. I've been struggling to fall asleep and I just feel groggy. Groggy? I don't even know if that's a word, but I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, on carnivore, you save so much money, right? You're only eating once a day, twice a day, or even 3 times a day, but you're not eating breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts. And so I had a problem and I would just go to Starbucks and get 2 coffees and it's really expensive. I'm going to be documenting my journey on how I feel. Today is day 2. This morning I had 4 boiled eggs and then the afternoon I had 2 more boiled eggs and now I'm cooking this up and then tonight I have a ribeye that my dad's making right now. I think I'm feeling a caffeine withdrawal now because today's day 2 without any caffeine and I guess I feel more tired. I don't know if that's the side effects or if I just need to eat more food, but I really need to get more fat, so I'm gonna have a fatty ribeye. But let me check on this. This is what it looks like so far. Look at my pancakes. It actually looks like dough.
Carnivore's gonna eat pancakes, Emma.
I'm eating pancakes. It's carnivore pancakes, nice and fluffy. Look at that though, that's gonna be a pancake. The pan's nice and hot. The trick is just to do this slow and low. I'm going to boil some water for these eggs because if you guys watched my last video, I did a lot of meal prep, but I actually ate all the boiled eggs, so I need to make more. Boiled eggs is one of my carnivore staples must-have. You just keep it in the refrigerator and if you're hungry, you eat it. So simple and easy. So how I make my eggs is first you put all your eggs in here. Oh my gosh, the pancake smells so good and buttery. And then I'm gonna turn this on high heat. And then we wait for this to boil. When this starts boiling, I turn off the heat and then I let it sit for 10 minutes and then I pour it in cold water. Looks like it's getting nice and brown. Ooh, I think I'm gonna flip it. Boom! A pancake! A carnivore pancake! That's crazy! Oh my gosh, look at that. It smells absolutely delicious. You can do the same thing and you just want more of a measuring cup. I'd say do about 2 of the 1/2 cups. I'm not good with fractions. I think last time when I made burger buns, I did 1 cup and it was perfect and it's so delicious on your burger patties. It's so flavorful and it just gives it much more texture and it tastes delicious. And so this is one of my favorites. And then I'm gonna test it when there's a little bit of this left, but I've seen people say that they add the yolks afterwards because the yolks are actually the best part for you. The healthiest, I believe. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Make sure that when you guys make this that you keep going like this because otherwise it's going to stick. Even though I have so much butter. Listen to that crunch. Carnivore pancake. This is literally bread too. That's crazy. Can you see that? Carnivore pancake. So buttery and delicious. This guy is really flat, so I'm gonna try to let this one get fluffy. So I'm I'm not gonna push it down because last time I flattened it, but you don't have to. So this one's gonna be a nice thick one. A lot of you guys on my last video commented that you guys are going to be doing the 30-day elimination challenge with me, strict or carnivore. So please keep me updated. I love to read your comments. If you guys need motivation or to get inspired, just comment on these YouTube videos. And then everyone always just talks back and forth. I love reading the comments and seeing fellow carnivores help out each other. I'd like to do some YouTube lives to help people get more motivated and inspire others, and just talk to people and try to do my best to help, because technically I've been carnivore for 2 years, but I don't like to say that because I've fallen off a lot. I have learned so many things, like electrolytes are so important. Fat is the most important thing. You need to be eating fat. If you're craving sugar, you're not eating enough fat. And then I just learned so much delicious recipes that I want to help share and inspire. Quick interruption. Did you know your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it? At Compassionate Carnivore, we make 100% natural, handmade products with ingredients you can read, pronounce, and trust. We also sell some fun carnivore merch. If you'd like to support our business, please visit compassionatecarnivore.store. Link in the description below.
You have no idea.
Look at my pancake. This guy's really flat, but look at that one's gonna be real big and fluffy.
That's called a crepe. You have no idea how much I wanted to eat all of that. It was so good.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm starving.
I haven't had ribeye in such a long time.
Same.
Baxter got 3 bites.
See, sometimes it's hard to swallow the fat. I personally need to have a cup of water. The fat's absolutely delicious. I don't know, it's just something where I can't swallow it. So, like, see, this piece is like pure fat. I just go like this, chew it a bit, and then swallow it.
I have been carnivore for over 800 days now, and no joke, it gets better and better and better and better and better. I feel better now than I did at day 700, better than I did at day 600. I feel like my whole body's like regenerated.
Comment down below how long you guys have been doing carnivore, and are you guys doing it long term? As you can see, this one's really fluffy, and it got nice and brown, so now we're gonna flip it. Boom. Ooh, really crispy. I don't know what happened. When I made my carnivore buns, they were nice and thick. I think I'm just not doing enough, so these are just flat pancakes. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm doing this next time. You could add ground beef in it, and it'll be little tacos, and then if you do cheese, you could add shredded cheese and a dash of sour cream. Oh my gosh, carnivore tacos too. I just think that you have to do more to get it nice, big, and fluffier. Oh no. Shoot, what happened? It didn't stay together. This one was a fail. Oh wait, I got an idea. Maybe we could make like a big fried egg. I'll just cook this up right now. This looks like when you go to a Chinese place and you get like rice, and that's the kind of eggs that are in with it, if you know what I'm talking about. And there's like peas and carrots in it, I think. Good, I really wanted eggs. I love eggs. This time, hopefully it doesn't fall apart. I don't know what, I think I did too much. So stay together. Oh, it's the egg yolks is what it is. Shoot. At least you guys know. So don't get any egg yolks in it at all, or it gets liquidy, and then that'll happen. But that's okay. I'll just try to let this circular part cook. And then these will be more little scrambled eggs. Got my scrambled eggs. They're nice and fluffy. When I made cloud buns, it was nice and fluffy, and I know this is because I got the egg yolks in it, so it watered it down. You want to really hand mix it, so mix it for a long, long time, and then it'll get very nice thick. Don't get any egg yolks in it, but this is still fine for me. I'm impatient, and I really want to try this. I'm going to wrap this up so that I can eat all of my food, but that is how you make carnivore pancakes. It will get nice and thick and fluffy as long as you only do egg whites. So just make sure that when you're getting your egg whites, you don't get any egg yolks in it, and then it will get nice and thick and fluffy. But that is how you make carnivore pancakes. You could also do it the same way as me and get a little bit of yolks in it, and then it makes this flat bread, and you could add ground beef in this. Or you could cut up your steak and add it in it, and oh my gosh, so delicious. But yeah, please subscribe, as it really helps me out and it helps YouTube push my videos. And then it might pop up on someone's feed and they might be like, carnivore pancakes, or what's carnivore? And it might inspire them to do carnivore and completely transform their life. But thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best today and always. Bye. Peace.